Discover the unsettling truth about the Apple AirTag in our comprehensive 2025 review, focusing not just on its convenience, but its critical security implications. While AirTags are brilliant for locating lost keys and luggage, the dramatic rise in unwanted tracking incidents has made personal safety a top concern. This isn't just about finding items anymore. We're talking about real-world stalking. Apple and Google have collaborated to create industry standards that now alert both iOS and Android users to rogue AirTags moving with them. Apple has significantly improved detection, shortening the audible alert time from 3 days to a mere 8 to 24 hours, and making the 2025 second-gen AirTag louder and harder to tamper with. Learn the crucial steps to enable unwanted tracking notifications on your iPhone, ensuring you're proactively protected. We'll show you exactly how to detect an unknown tracker, what sounds to listen for, and how to safely disable a malicious AirTag once found. Don't become another statistic. Empower yourself with knowledge and essential safety measures. For quick links to official Apple AirTag information and personal safety resources, check the description below.